G'day guys and girls. Now today I'm going to be testing out this new VAX Platinum Spot Wash car and house upholstery cleaner. Here's the model here. And today I'm going to be doing the interior of this Mitsubishi Triton. It's a 2007 model ute or pickup. And as you can see, the upholstery in here is absolutely terrible. This vehicle is now 18 years old and it's come from the Australian outback, so to speak, and I don't think it's ever been cleaned. So we're going to try out our VAX system on this and see how it goes. As you can see, it's really grimy and dirty before I start cleaning, and it's had a lot of use and it's very grotty, so we'll see how we go with the VAX cleaning system. Right, so first of all, just press this button here and remove this tank. We're going to go for the maximum fill, a large area clean on here. There's a small area clean or a large area clean. I think I'm going to have to go over it a couple of times, so I'm going to make up a large area solution. Now, using this bottle of VAX brand Platinum Professional Solution, we're going to actually fill this tank here just by removing this cap, and we're going to fill with hot water from the tap, not boiling water, just hot water up to that water level there, and then using this bottle of solution, we're just going to top it up all the way up to the large area, and that will give us our ready mixed cleaning solution. So I'm just using hot water out of the hot water tap. Our hot water heater is set to 50 degrees Celsius, so by the time I go adding the solution, that will bring it down probably to below 40 degrees. So as you can see there, just about right on the water line. Yep, that'll be fine. And just checking the level, and I think we are right on the money. Okay, now I've already given the upholstery a light vacuum, just a dry vacuum, which I could have done with this unit, but wanted to keep all the tanks on it nice and clean, just for liquid. So giving it a light vacuum to get rid of any as much dust and dirt and that as I can, but I mean, there is dust galore in this vehicle. And what we're going to do now is we're going to spray with the cloth attachment. We're just going to spray all over the upholstery, let it sink for a few seconds and start sucking it out, and then we'll probably give it a second go. All right, let's go. going to do the driver's seat separately after I've given this one a good going over. so you get the idea. I'm just going to continue on now, giving it a second go once I finish this whole section. And then I'll come back and I'll show you the final results with a before and after shot and tell you how it all went. Okay, so just giving it one go over, this is what we've are left with. Horrible black solution there. So let's tip that out and have a good look at it. That's incredible what's come out. So I'm going to give it another go. Although it was looking pretty good when I finished all that solution. But I think a second go and let it dry out, and I think it should come up pretty good. Okay, so this is about half an hour later after I have given the seats 2 quick cleans. There was still is a bit of a stain here, which might have actually been something like glue, or at the very least it was a very bad type of grease that was on there. And I actually had to put a little bit of engine degreaser on there. That got rid of some of the stain, and I even used a little bit of carpet and upholstery cleaner on there as well. Just worked it in with my fingers. But the seats have come up pretty clean. I mean, bit hard to capture in this light. And here on the other side, now it's funny because the camera is actually picking up more stains than what I can actually see. This looks very, very clean to me, but I can see some yellowing on the video here. But I'm more than happy with the way that came up. There's a little stain just here again which wouldn't come out. Now I do know from experience, but once that upholstery dries, it will go much lighter and look cleaner again. Could be worth coming back and giving it another coat another day. But right now, I think removing 18 years of dust, dirt, grime, I think it's done a pretty good job. So I'm going to rate the VAX carpet cleaning system for cars and upholstery. I'm going to give it a 4.5 out of 5, and the cleaning solution I'm going to also give, well, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. It took 2 goes, and you could probably do with 3 or 4 goes, to be honest. And it was $23 for 1 litre, which would probably do 2 car interiors. So I'm actually relatively happy with the results. I'm going to leave it at that. I won't be doing any more to it right now, but yeah, I'm satisfied with that. So okay guys, thanks for watching, and hope this helps, this review, and gives you a bit of idea how you can clean your own car interior and save a lot of money. Okay, thanks very much. See you next time. Bye. Thank you.